If you're a fan of the inTech product, I think we've got the best setup in the United States of America. I'm not kidding. And I think we sell just about as many inTechs as anybody. Take a look at this. Right down the row. 6 different inTechs to take a look at. And we'll do just that briefly with each one. This is one of the best built products. We've carried this brand for over 4 years. And we've never, not once, had an unsatisfied customer. This is the Sold On. This is the smallest of them. Single axle, 3,500 pound gross weight. Your bed, you can see it's not a permanent bed. So you take a cushion out of storage up there. It goes in right about here, leaves you just about that and that to sit down. So you can actually leave your bed up all the time. If you want to fill in those 2 spaces, there is an additional piece that you can buy. Make that whole thing a bed. Actually becomes quite a large bed. Bathroom is pretty small, but not terrible for one of this size. Let's go to the next one. The Eclipse. This one's 4,800 pounds. This one has seen a bit of a change over the years. And you've got a kitchen in the back and the kitchen inside up front. So you're cooking and you've got that great view. This is really, really important. This view is unbelievable. And, you know, you get a nice shot of our lot right now. But I've seen people with the ocean in front of that thing, with deer outside their window. And then you got a twin bed situation back here that can become one bed as well. And you can see when the bathroom gets quite a bit bigger as we go forward here. So 4,800 pounds gross weight on this. SUVs can tow this. Some can tow this. As we cruise along. This is the Horizon. And there's a kitchen back there too. Horizon has been their best seller. Not just of the Sol product, this 4,000 pounds gross weight, but of anything that they make. Super, super popular. Queen bed here in the back. You do have to roll over each other. And as we see the Dusk in a little bit, and there's the bathroom. The bathroom is really good size for being a wet bath. We'll go see the Dusk now and see why a lot of people have been getting the Dusk, which is going to be 4,800 pounds. Fully loaded, and this is their biggest that they offer. Now there's a kitchen in the back there and some storage. If you want to see that, we encourage you, and by the way, there's the look from the front. We encourage you to stop by and take a really thorough look at these things. I'm telling you, they are not the cheapest camper you're going to buy, but they're not the cheapest camper you're going to buy. You know what I'm saying? Like, the quality is outstanding. These are all one-piece aluminum welded frame. And as I mentioned, people that have bought these from us, you got a twin bed again, can become one bed. People that have bought these from us, they tend not to trade them into us. Why? Because when they go to sell them, they can sell them pretty quickly and for the amount of money that they want, because they are so highly sought after, because they're just really, really good quality. I mean, it's one thing to get a cool look, but not all campers that have the cool look are really built well too. These are. Now here's the double axle. And this is the Magnolia. So this is the Aucta. So very similar. You can see the bed is down there. Very similar, just a lot more space and more weight. 7,500 pounds gross weight on this. People that buy these Auctas are very, very happy customers. Take a look there. And plenty of room to get out from the bed. Bathroom is, I guess, bigger, but roughly the same size as those Sols. Because those Sols, as I mentioned, actually pretty dang good size for a wet bath. So they maintain the size pretty much in these Auctas. One more to go. And this you may like if you don't like your spouse. I'm kidding. But it is the twin bed. Maybe been married a long time and like, we just want a good night's sleep, thank you. Again, the great view. Kitchen. There's a TV in each one of these as well. This has got the bathroom. Well, I'll show you the bedroom first. So you got twin beds back here. And this is the Willow. And the Willows do have an option to get one bed. But the one we have here in Fridley, and all these are here in Fridley, is the twin bed version. And then the bathrooms across from each other. So one person can be taking a shower, and the other person can be brushing their teeth or doing other stuff. That's a look. inTech, we have the best setup in the country. I really believe that you can come down here to our Fridley location and you can see 6 different inTechs of the Sol and the Aucta variety. We of course carry their flyers as well, their OVRs too. So if you want to come and check out inTech, you can do that. We also have them at our other locations too. Don't forget, we're also in Alexandria, Brainerd, and Rochester. If we don't have the model you're looking for in one of those locations, we can certainly help get it into your hands. Thanks for watching.